Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Cressi Agua Fins. So these are a pretty compact pair of snorkeling fins. So if you're sort of limited on the amount of space or weight that you need to travel with, it's a great pair of fins. They pack down pretty well flat. They haven't got too much angle to them, and they don't weigh very much at all. So, pair of full foot fins, so you wear these barefoot. You can probably wear a sock in them as well. If they're a little bit big, you can wear just some normal trainer socks. If you're going somewhere cold, you can get some neoprene socks. So the foot pocket itself, pretty thin, decent amount of flex and comfort in that, so that'll stay nice and comfortable. But the really nice little section about this is that it's self-adjusting. All that means is that you've got a slightly more stretchy section over the top. That just allows it to pull itself onto your foot and hold it in position, but during the downwards kick, it allows it to flex a little bit, stores up some energy, transfers it down towards the blade of the fin, and just makes it a little bit more effective. So big rails that go down the side of the fins, again, they're transferring energy down from that. Open section at the bottom of the foot pocket just means that you don't get any vacuum when you're trying to take it off. It's very easy to get off. Very simple blade. This is just a paddle blade, but what they have done is they've made it a sort of modified fishtail tip. That means that it's going to reduce the amount of tracking, and that's that kind of sideways motion that you can get when you're pushing a paddle through the water. If it's just a square or a rounded tip, it can kind of shudder from side to side, but with this fishtail tip, that reduces that, so it's much more straight and more comfortable. It's not going to shake your foot from side to side. The underside of the blade mirrors the top side. You've got a little bit of grip on the bottom of the foot pocket there. So if you're walking around in them, obviously be careful, do it sideways or backwards. But because it's got that pretty flat profile, it's a little bit easier to move around in them. A nice little pair of fins. If you're looking for something a bit more sort of robust, if you're going to be in the water for any great deal of time or scuba diving, I'd probably go for something a little bit bigger. But just for a snorkeling holiday, just kind of looking around the reef, gentle paddling, you want a little bit more than just your feet. These are a great pair of fins because they're just nice and light, they're small, they're compact, but they're still going to move you through the water. These are the Cressi Agua Fins. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.